In this video, I'm gonna show you how to insert PDF file in Word document. So let's get started. To insert a PDF file into a Word document, just follow these steps. First, open your Word document and navigate to the exact location where you want to insert the PDF file. Place your cursor at the desired insertion point. Now go to the Insert tab in the Word toolbar. Click Object from the available options. Note that the position of this option may vary depending on the version of the Microsoft Office. Now choose Create From File in the Object dialog box. Click Browse to find and select the PDF file you want to insert. Click OK to add the PDF file to your Word document. The PDF file will be displayed as an icon in your document. Double-click the icon to open and view the PDF. So that is how you can insert PDF file in Word document. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.